Every day, new technologies are introduced to the IT data world. One of the newest ones for these days is cloud computing. Cloud computing is when an individual or company takes their data and stores it in an offsite account that is on a remote server being hosted on the internet that can be accessed from multiple locations with the help of internet access and account credentials. New technology is good for the IT world. The only problem with new technologies are new security risks, and cloud computing is no different. There are three different types of cloud computing, and each has their own risks. The things that are most at risk are identity supervision, operational reliability, business stability, susceptibility management, and disaster recuperation. Another voiced concern is user privacy. The cloud collects data on the user that is sometimes vital and could easily be misused, which would lead to privacy violations. Another issue found to be at the forefront of cloud computing is compliance. Businesses who have to comply with government policies and regulations on customer or patient data need to understand that the use of cloud may infringe on some of these compliances. Privileged users access seems to be a security risk that a lot of users are concerned with as well. Users want to be comfortable in knowing that only qualified personnel are seeing their data. Lastly, data recovery seems to be a fairly large concern. Users want to know what will happen in the event that an emergency takes place. They want to know that their data will be kept safe and secure if a disaster were to happen. When given the option between user access, the data location, data segregation, data recovery, and data auditing, and data viability, 33% of people chose user access as the most important security risk to them. People want to know who can access their data. I found that in a matchup between data security and data accessibility that over 48% of people believe that data accessibility is more important than data security. When surveyed on whether they use cloud computing, 48% of people said no, 29% of people said they weren't sure, and 22% of people said yes. I honestly think that more people probably have used cloud computing and just don't know it. This technology is so new that I don't think people truly have a proper understanding of what it is and how relevant it has become. Cloud computing as a whole is a new technology, so risks are to be expected as providers work to iron out the wrinkles. The real question is whether consumers are willing to take the risks that come along with all of the benefits.